As President of Angus Australia, it's been a real honour to represent the members and to be the Chairman of the Board of Directors. It's been a wonderful year. We've done a lot. I'd just like to thank all our members out there, and Angus Australia, its mission is to help our members improve profitability and sustainability through our services. And I'd like to thank Scott and our staff for all they've done for our members. And I'd really like to thank all the members, because the organisation is a member-based organisation. It's so important that we've got a good diverse range of members, and all over Australia and some in New Zealand. Scott, thanks for everything this year. It's been a great year for us, and we've covered a lot of things. And what are the key things we've done this year, Scott, as from Angus Australia's point of view?
Yeah, thanks, Sinclair. It was one of our big years, really, to be honest. There was a lot going on. We started the year with some of the export readiness workshop. A fair few of you attended, which is great. We did Beef Australia, which was a huge undertaking. It's one of the big projects that we do each year. We had a presence at the Northern Territory Cattlemen's Association. Had our AGM down in Albury, which is huge. I attended the European Angus Forum to promote the World Forum next year. We did that. We had a bit of a change of leadership of the board, didn't we, Sinclair? We welcomed on 2 new board members this year, and nice to have Sinclair come into the role as president, and that's been a really enjoyable transition and carrying on the good work. So we've had recently some really good discussions at a board level. We've had a busy year with the planning of the World Forum. It's a gift that keeps giving. We've got a big program next year, which is great. A lot of work from Erica Halliday, the organising team, from Mel Strasberg and Jake, and lots of preparation for next year. So that's been really good. And then finally, towards the end of the year, we've had our annual taste enhancements, and from what I understand, it's gone really well. So.
I'd also like to mention Gen Angus. Scott and I had the privilege to go to Gen Angus, and it was held in New Zealand this year, and gee, there was a really good aspiring young people in that group, and I thought that program worked really well. I went to BeefEx with Scott as well, and we launched our genomic only product for the Angus SteerSELECT, and I think it's going to be really good for right along the supply chain. So I think that's pretty exciting.
Yeah. It was a big product launch for us. It's been great. Next year the members will see our Angus BreedCheck come out, which lets us be able to predict the content of cattle in about 12 breeds, but particularly what we're interested in Angus. So that's a good addition early next year as well.
Yeah, we're working for next year pretty well hard, and gee, I'm excited about this World Angus Forum. It should be a great event, and thanks to the organising committee, the consultative committee, for what they've done, and thanks for staff, because this is a massive event. I encourage all members to come to the World Angus Forum and participate in some way.
Leading up to Christmas, we've got 2 things members can do. Sinclair, they can join the member directory, so if you're interested in having your stud advertised to a worldwide audience, that directory will get sent to every delegate that comes to the World Angus Forum. So it might be an opportunity for someone to reach out to you and see what you're doing in your operation. So it's a really good, cheap way to get in front of a big audience of people. And the other one is, before Christmas, if you're thinking of getting cattle to Tamworth, put your name down for a pen at the AngusEXPO, and Jake Phillips will make sure you've got a good spot to show off your genetics to the world. But I think the World Forum just gives us a great opportunity to showcase Australian Angus genetics. The World Angus evaluation, now people from North America and Europe can compare EPDs with Australian genetics. So for the first time, I think it's a great opportunity for our members to be in a position to export genetics back the other way. So really, really positive. And recently the American Angus Convention, where we're promoting the World Angus Forum, lots of interest in what we're doing down here in Australia. So yeah, great ways for the members to get involved.
Yeah, we went to Brisbane last week, and the Neogen World Angus Forum at Brisbane, the 2-day conference is going to be a cracker. A great lineup of speakers, and also the gala dinner, a pretty impressive room, and we've got some great ideas. We're going to have a great night at the gala dinner. It's all May next year, so looking forward to it.
Great opportunity for the whole breed from 26 countries to come together and see what we do here.
Yeah, thanks Scott, and thanks again for everything you've done, and to the staff, and thank you members, and have a Merry Christmas. Hope you all get a few days off and enjoy time with your family and loved ones, and Happy New Year, because I think it's going to be probably our biggest year for Angus Australia ever.
That's right, Sinclair. And from myself and the staff, look, members, Merry Christmas. We hope you have a really nice time with your family. Maybe get some time out. I know in the south it's probably a bit harder, but we appreciate the support of the members. It's a great organisation to be a part of. It was a great year, and we look forward to an even better year next year. So thanks, Sinclair.
Thanks, Scott. Thanks for everything. Merry Christmas. Thanks, mate.
Thanks.